Hello all, this is M. Sandeep Kumar and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel Concepts of IIT Maths. So in today's video let us discuss about some of the problems from trigonometric ratios, basic trigonometric ratios questions. So this is what we are going to discuss in today's video. So in upcoming videos we will discuss about problems on trigonometric ratios of allied angles, problems on trigonometric identities, problems on trigonometric inequalities, etc. But in this video we will discuss about some basic questions from trigonometric ratios. Okay, so first question. So if cot theta is minus 3 by 4, then what is cos theta? If cot theta is minus 3 by 4, then what is cos theta? Very basic question, right? So first of all, let me consider a right angle triangle where theta is an acute angle. Okay, see, it's not necessary that theta must be acute in this particular question, but you assume that theta is acute, no issues. Okay, so if that is the case, cot theta is cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. So ignoring the sign, adjacent side is 3 units, opposite side is 4 units. Actually I should take 3k and 4k. Okay, so from this, what is it? Cot theta means what, dear students? If the triangle is ABC, cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side, which is equal to, ignoring the sign, let me take 3 by 4. So adjacent side is 3 units and opposite side is 4 units. Now let me find hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, you can say that AC square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, which means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So using this, 4k whole square plus 3k whole square, 16k square plus 9k square, you will get 25k square. So and AC is equal to square root of 25k square, which is 5k. So I got 5k. Hypotenuse, I got 5k. Okay, now dear students, we are supposed to find cos theta. So that implies cos theta is equal to, we know that cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Adjacent by hypotenuse means 3k by 5k. But remember one thing, if theta is acute angle, then it is positive answer. But we don't know whether theta is acute angle or obtuse angle. We don't even know theta is present in which quadrant. It can be in first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant. So we have to keep plus or minus here. So therefore cos theta is equal to plus 3 by 5 or minus 3 by 5. This is the answer. So cos theta can be equal to plus 3 by 5 or minus 3 by 5. So if they mention in which quadrant theta lies, then we can specifically say that cos theta is plus 3 by 5 or minus 3 by 5. But they did not mention in which quadrant theta lies. So it can be plus 3 by 5 or minus 3 by 5. Okay, so if cot theta is minus 3 by 4, then cos theta is plus 3 by 5 or minus 3 by 5. Let us go for the next question. Second question. Our second question, dear students. So if theta lies in third quadrant, so theta is between 180 degrees and 270 degrees, okay, and 5 tan theta is equal to 4, then what is the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by sin theta plus 2 cos theta? So observe one thing, dear students. So generally when we read the question, we will start hurrying by taking a right angle triangle, okay, finding hypotenuse and then finding what is sin theta, cos theta and finding the answer. But there is no need to hurry up. First of all, let us peacefully think. What is the question here? They have given tan theta 4 by 5 and they are asking us this. Now, is it possible to convert this question in terms of tan theta or not? This is what you have to think. Yes, of course it is possible. So our question is 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole divided by sin theta plus 2 cos theta. I can easily convert the question in terms of tan theta. How? Very simple, by dividing the numerator and denominator with cos theta. So divide, NR means numerator and DR means denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. What happens if I divide numerator and denominator with cos theta? So 5 sin theta by cos theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta whole divided by, again denominator you have to divide with cos theta, sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by cos theta. So it is 5 tan theta minus cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled, will get 3 whole divided by sin theta by cos theta is again tan theta plus cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled, will get 2. See, I know the value of tan theta from here 5 times, or directly we have 5 tan theta. So what is 5 tan theta value, dear students? 5 tan theta is 4 minus 3 divided by, and tan theta value from here is 4 by 5. Tan theta value from here is 4 by 5 plus 2. Simplifying, the numerator is 1, the denominator is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 is 14 by 5. So the reciprocal of 14 by 5 is 5 by 14. So therefore, dear students, the value of the given question is 5 by 14. So that's what, generally what we do, by reading the question we'll start hurrying as if there is no time at all, right? We'll try to find sin theta, cos theta, then we'll try to substitute, and again we have to think, okay, theta is in third quadrant, then sin theta must be negative, cos theta must be negative. So all these are not needed. The question is simply converted in terms of tan theta and we got the answer. That's it. Okay, we'll go for next question. Our third question, very simple question again. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So there is a triangle ABC which is right angled at B. So I'll take this as capital A and this is capital C. Okay, they are asking us to find what is tan A plus tan C, and the answer is in terms of the sides ABC, small a, small b and small c. The answer must be in terms of the sides ABC. You can pause the video and you can try it first. Okay, so once you have completed, let us then continue with the video and check what is the answer. So I'm solving it. Very simple, right? So anyhow, the side BC is nothing but small a, and side AC is nothing but small b. Side AB is small c. Now dear students, in right angle triangle ABC, tan A, let me write the question once again. Tan A is opposite by adjacent, opposite side by adjacent side. See, for angle A, opposite side is small a and adjacent side is small c. Similarly, for tan C, what is tan C? For angle C, opposite side is small c and adjacent side is small a. So I got the answer only in terms of A comma C, but we need the answer in terms of ABC. So let us continue, which is equal to A into A is A square plus C into C is C square divided by C into A. And dear students, in right angle triangle we can use Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem says that square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, which means A square plus C square. Now I can use this A square plus C square as B square in the question. So A square plus C square is B square by CA. So this is the answer, dear students. Therefore tan A plus tan C is equal to B square by CA or B square by AC. That is the answer. Simple question, right? Let us go for next question. Our fourth question. If cos theta is equal to 3 by 5 and theta is not in first quadrant, angle theta is not in first quadrant, then we are supposed to find the value of 2 minus 3 tan theta divided by 3 secant theta plus 4 cot theta. Okay, of course in this question we have to find tan theta, sec theta and cot theta. We have to do it. Let us assume that theta is acute angle. If you assume that theta is acute angle, then cot theta is again adjacent by opposite. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So adjacent of theta is 3 units. I'll take 3k. And opposite of theta is 5 units. I'll take 5k. So let the triangle is ABC. You can give some name, right angle at B. Now let us use Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Be careful. Some of us in hurry we will write hypotenuse as 4k, thinking it is Pythagorean triplet, but this is not the case here. Okay, AB square is 5k whole square plus BC square is 3k whole square. You'll get 25k square plus 9k square. 25k square plus 9k square is equal to how much? I made a mistake, dear students. What is that mistake? Yes, it is cos theta, not cot theta. So which means it is adjacent by hypotenuse. Very well. I made a mistake. So it is cos theta. I thought it is cot theta. Okay. Now if you use Pythagoras theorem, 5k whole square is equal to AB square plus 3k whole square. Of course, 25k square is equal to AB square plus 9k square. So you will get it. You will get AB is equal to 4k itself. By simplifying, AB square equal to 25k square minus 9k square. Okay. AB square is equal to 25k square minus 9k square. So AB is equal to root of 16k square, which is 4k. Yes, the opposite is 4k. You can also take it directly if you know this. Okay. Anyhow, from this, dear students, first let me find what is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Correct or not? 4k by 3k is 4 by 3. But remember, it is not always positive. Come back to the question. Cos theta is 3 by 5. Cos theta is positive and theta is not in first quadrant. If cos theta is positive and theta is not in first quadrant, then theta must be in which quadrant? Theta must be in fourth quadrant, because cos theta is positive only in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay na? So theta is in fourth quadrant, right? Because theta is not in first quadrant. Now come back to this. If theta is in fourth quadrant, then tan theta must be negative. So you should take minus 4 by 3. Next, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Very simple. Reciprocal of cos theta is 5 by 3. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal of tan theta, so I will take minus 3 by 4. The reciprocal of minus 4 by 3 as minus 3 by 4. Now let us substitute the values here. What do you get? 2 minus 3 into tan theta is minus 4 by 3 whole divided by 3 into sec theta is 5 by 3 plus 4 into cot theta is minus 3 by 4. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. The numerator is 2 minus into minus plus. 2 plus 4 you will get 6. And the denominator is 5 minus 3 you will get 2. So the result is 3. The answer for this question is 3. So this is about the fourth question. Let us go for the next question. Our fifth question, which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? See, let us carefully check whether the given statements are correct or not. First of all, let us check with option A. Here I did not mention degree, which means that the given angle is in radians, right? So cos 1 radian means, dear students, 1 radian is approximately 57 degrees, right? No need to take exact value. Approximation is enough. He told in first option that cos 57 degrees is greater than cos 2 degrees. But do you remember the graph of the cos function between 0 and 90 degrees? So cos function is a decreasing function. Cos function is a decreasing function. So when the input is 2 degrees, the output is cos 2 degrees, okay. And when input is 57 degrees, the output is cos 57 degrees. Now from the graph it is very much clear that cos 2 degrees is greater than cos 57 degrees. Cos 2 degrees is above and cos 57 degrees is below. So therefore the given statement is false. They told that cos 57 degrees is larger than cos 2 degrees. But actually cos 2 degrees is larger than cos 57 degrees from the graph. Okay. Now let us check whether the second statement is true or not. Option B. So they have given that cot 1 is greater than cot tan 2. And since they did not mention the units, you have to take them as radians. So they are saying cot 57 degrees is greater than tan 2 means 2 into 57. 2 into 57 is 114 degrees. I'm taking approximate value of radians, not the exact value, remember. It's very to check, dear students, whether this is true or false. 57 degrees is a angle in first quadrant and cot 57 is a positive value. 114 degrees is an angle in second quadrant, and in second quadrant tan theta is negative, and it's very much clear that positive value is always greater than negative value, correct or not? So option B is true. Option B is true, but don't just mark B and leave the question. Wait, let us check the other options also, whether the other options are true or false. Let us check it. If you look at option C, cot 2 means cot 114 degrees. 114 degrees is a second quadrant angle, and in second quadrant cot theta is negative. Of course, cot 114 degrees is less than 0. This is also true. Option B is true and option C is also true. Cot 114 degrees. 114 degrees is an angle in second quadrant. Cot theta is negative in second quadrant, so cot 114 degrees is less than 0. It is true. Now let us check whether the fourth option is correct or not. Observe one thing, dear students. Cot 2, as I told, cot 2 is negative value. Cot 1 means what? Cot 57 degrees, it is positive value. Yes, negative value is less than positive value, but what does it say? Continue. Positive value, is it less than 0? No, positive value cannot be less than 0. So option D is false. So then which of the following statements are correct? Only B, C are correct. So we have discussed 5 basic questions from the chapter of trigonometric ratios. In the upcoming video, let us discuss about trigonometric ratios of allied angles, various problems which are very, very important when it comes to mains exam of IIT JEE. We will discuss about those models from trigonometric ratios of allied angles in next video, and after that in the next video we will discuss about problems on trigonometric identities. Okay, so that's it for today's video, dear students. If you have understood the problem solving methodologies, do like the video, share it to your friends, watch the previous videos where we have discussed the concepts of trigonometric ratios. If we have to be perfect in solving problems, means we must be perfect in understanding the concepts. So first go through the conceptual videos and subscribe the channel if you are new to it. See you all in the next video. Thank you.